Hello and welcome to Julia's Food for Thought. Today we're going to put together a vegan Parmesan cheese. So we're going to use our Vitamix to make this, and I'm going to show you the ingredients now and how it's to be put together. So these are our ingredients that will go into our condiment. We have here the garlic powder, onion powder, and just a quick tip here regarding these powders. Best to keep them in the freezer in their respective containers so that they don't lose moisture and become hardened and of course useless, and you're not going to be able to use them. We have here the mustard, sea salt, nutritional yeast that will give this condiment lovely cheesy flavor, and these nuts. So I've chosen to use two different types of nuts, the cashews as well as the almonds, but you can just use cashew nuts if you wish. There's no hard and fast rule. So what I'm going to do is use our Vitamix to bring the cashews and the almonds into a mealy light texture. So we're going to pulse this until it becomes mealy. We don't want to overdo it, so we're just going to pulse it till we get it where we want it, and then we'll add the rest of the ingredients. Okay. Incidentally, you can use whichever mixer you prefer. This just happens to be a Vitamix, but you can use whichever one you wish. Okay, so we'll start now. Just pulsing. So all the rest of the ingredients go in here. We've been through mentioning what they are, and they just all go in, and then we're just going to just slightly blend them. The mixture is still mealy, so that's what we want to keep, that mealiness. Okay, so that's mixed, and you can just put it into your favorite container. It doesn't have to be kept in the fridge, although that's where I keep it. And it can be used on your favorite Italian dishes like your spaghettis, your lasagnas, on your salads, soups, whatever you prefer to use a Parmesan in. So this is our finished Parmesan. It has the texture and flavor that we expect from a conventional Parmesan. So if you've enjoyed this, please like and subscribe, and love to hear your comments. Comments are always welcome because that's how we grow. So until next time, look forward to seeing you. Bye for now.